How to change your settings on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your settings, your account settings or your privacy settings on Twitter app. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. All you need to do or all you have to do is open up the Twitter app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the settings of. Once you're logged in, simply tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen. You can see a little profile icon that you can see. Tap on it and here head below, and at the bottom of your screen at the bottom left essentially you can see settings and support option, and under settings and support you can see settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy and you'll find various kind of settings here. You can see your account, you can see security and account access, you can see Twitter Blue, monetization, privacy and safety, notifications, accessibility, display and languages, and additional resources. If you want to head into your account, you can head into your account and under account information you can change your username, you can add phone number, you can change email address, you can select your location and other stuffs. Similarly, under change your password, you can change your password, you can download the copy of your data of your Twitter account, and you can deactivate account from here. Similarly, you can head into security and account access and you can manage your account security. And here under Twitter Blue, you can manage your subscriptions. Under monetization, you can see how you can make money on Twitter. Under privacy and safety essential, you'll be able to set your account to private from audience and tagging. You can manage your tweets, you can manage the sensitive content settings from content you see, and here you can see various options. So basically under settings and privacy you'll be able to change your settings on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.